By midweek, focus on circulation with ginger tea. This ensures that your brain remains oxygenated and alert even during the busiest parts of the week. Consistency is much more powerful than any one-time miracle cure. Following this schedule will train your body to recover and heal systematically every single day. A quick note of caution. If you have high blood pressure, use ginger in moderation. Always listen to your body and adjust the portions as needed. For those with diabetes, be mindful of the amount of honey you use. A few drops are often enough to provide the benefits without spiking your sugar. You only need small amounts. A single piece of cinnamon or a few slices of ginger can be used to brew multiple cups throughout the whole day. Organization makes it easy to stick to your routine. When your ingredients are ready, you are more likely to make healthy choices even when you're tired. Within just a few weeks of following this plan, many seniors report feeling more energetic, less forgetful, and much more emotionally stable throughout the day. These simple habits are the foundation of a long and healthy life. Health isn't something you buy. It is something you build every single day. Remember our goal, under 5,000 dong for a sharp mind and a restful sleep. It is entirely possible when you have the right knowledge. As we reach our 60s, we must become the guardians of our own health. These drinks are your tools to maintain your independence and vitality. Deep sleep is when your memories are filed away and your brain is cleaned. Never underestimate the power of a single night of good rest. When you sleep better, you live better. You can engage with your family, remember your stories, and enjoy the beauty of every single passing moment. Save your money for the things that matter and use nature's gifts to heal your body. The most effective solutions are often the most humble ones. We have explored the 6 golden drinks, the dual recovery system, and the strategy to keep it all affordable and simple for your daily life. Songtho, hei song kue, la mot. Han trin quan hung thoi quen ho. Wong hung luai nuok nai bang su tin tuong vai jiu jan moi ngain ho. Health is a journey, not a destination. These 6 drinks only work when you embrace them with consistency and a positive, hopeful heart every day. Love your body through these small acts of care. For less than 5,000 dong, you are giving yourself the gift of time and clarity. Sleep deeply, remember clearly, and live long. I wish all our elders, aunts, and uncles many nights of peaceful rest and sharp, bright minds. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health. Start your 7-day plan today and feel the transformation in your body and mind. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share this with someone you love. Let us spread the gift of health to our entire community. Take care of yourselves and each other. I look forward to seeing you in our next video with more natural health secrets for a better life. One small change can create ripples of wellness throughout your entire life. Start with just 1 cup tonight and see the difference it makes. Good night, and may your dreams be as peaceful and restorative as the nature that surrounds us. We will see you very soon in the next one. Goodbye for now. May you always have the health and clarity to enjoy every beautiful moment that life brings your way. Thank you. After turning 60, deep sleep often feels like a distant memory, but it shouldn't be. Today we reveal how to reclaim your rest and sharpen your mind. Waking up in the middle of the night can be a nightmare. However, expensive medications aren't always the answer to restoring your body's natural sleep rhythm. We are going to build a dual recovery system using simple ingredients found right in your kitchen, focusing on both calming your nerves and rebuilding your memory. This system targets 2 vital areas: the sleep switch to calm your nervous system and the memory materials used for regenerating your brain's precious neural connections. Group 1 focuses on calming the mind, while Group 2 provides the essential building blocks for your neurons to thrive and store memories more effectively than before. By combining these two groups, we create a powerful synergy that helps seniors sleep deeply through the night and wake up with a sharp, clear mind. The best part is the cost. You can prepare these 6 golden drinks for less than 5,000 dong, making health accessible to everyone, everywhere, every day. I will share these 6 life-changing recipes that will help you or your loved ones achieve the deep, restorative sleep that your body and mind truly deserve. Let us begin with the first group, the sleep switches, designed specifically to quiet the noise of the day and prepare your brain for a long rest. First is lotus seed tea. This ancient remedy is famous for its cooling properties and its ability to lower internal heat, which often causes nighttime restlessness. Simply take a small amount of lotus seeds and steep them in hot water. This drink acts as a natural sedative for your overworked nervous system. At only 500 dong per cup, this is one of the most effective ways to switch off your mind and drift into a peaceful slumber naturally. Remember that consistency is key. Drinking a cup of lotus tea every evening helps your body recognize it is finally time to wind down and recover. The second sleep switch is cinnamon bark water. Cinnamon is known for its ability to warm the kidneys and improve circulation, especially to the cold extremities. For many seniors, cold feet can disrupt sleep. Cinnamon helps warm the body from the inside out, creating a cozy environment for your brain to rest. You only need a small piece, about the size of a finger joint. It is a simple, aromatic way to soothe your body before you go to bed. Cinnamon is easily found in traditional pharmacies or grocery stores. It is a powerful tool for those who struggle with staying asleep throughout the entire night. Third, we have aged ginger tea. Ginger is a miracle root that stimulates blood flow and ensures that your brain receives enough oxygen for nighttime repair. Slicing fresh ginger helps release its active compounds. This drink is particularly beneficial for those who feel mentally foggy or have poor circulation in general. By improving blood flow to the brain, ginger helps clear out metabolic waste that can build up during the day and cause cognitive decline. Over time, choose aged ginger for the highest medicinal potency. This inexpensive root is a staple that provides massive benefits for your cognitive and physical health daily. These 3 drinks work as the perfect foundation. They prepare your body to enter the deep stages of sleep where actual brain healing and regeneration occur. When you calm the nervous system first, the brain becomes more receptive to the nutrients it needs to rebuild its memory structures and maintain long-term health. Now that we have covered the sleep switches, let us move on to the second group of drinks that provide the actual materials for memory restoration. This next group is essential for anyone experiencing forgetfulness or cognitive decline, as it focuses on regenerating the very cells of your brain and nerves. The fourth drink is polycious tea, often called the ginseng of the poor, because of its incredible ability to boost brain function at a low cost. Steeping these leaves creates a tonic that enhances neurotransmission, helping your brain send signals faster and more accurately, which is crucial for sharp memory. It strengthens the connections between neurons. For those over 60, this is like providing premium fuel to an engine that has been running for decades. Polycious is incredibly affordable and can even be grown in a small pot at home, making it a sustainable choice for your daily brain health. Fifth, we have the green juice, made from pennywort. This plant is a nutritional powerhouse that supports the health of your cerebral blood vessels. Blending or juicing these leaves releases chlorophyll and antioxidants that help repair damaged brain cells and improve overall vascular health within the skull. Regularly consuming this green juice acts as a shield for your brain, protecting it from the oxidative stress that leads to memory loss and aging. Pennywort is extremely cheap at local markets. It is green gold for your circulation, ensuring your brain remains vibrant and functional as you age. The sixth recipe is the classic honey and lemon. While simple, its role in detoxifying the brain and providing quick energy is absolutely vital. For seniors, lemon provides vitamin C to strengthen vessel walls, while honey offers natural sugars that the brain uses as its primary source of energy for thinking. Drinking this warm mixture every morning helps flush out toxins that accumulate overnight, leaving your mind feeling fresh, light, and ready for the day. By choosing store-brand honey and local lemons, this drink remains well within our 5,000 dong budget while delivering maximum detoxification and cognitive support. These 6 drinks provide a complete nutritional profile for any senior looking to improve their quality of life through better sleep and a stronger memory. Now that you have the recipes, let us discuss how to shop smartly and organize these into a simple, effective 7-day routine. You do not need to be wealthy to be healthy. The secret lies in choosing store brands or Nunhang Rieng found in large supermarkets. Store brands often contain the same high-quality ingredients but cost up to 30% less because they do not spend money on expensive marketing or packaging. Buy your ginger, cinnamon, and herbs in bulk at traditional markets. This significantly reduces the cost per serving and ensures you always have fresh supplies. To see real results, you need a plan. Here is a simple 7-day schedule that rotates these 6 drinks to maximize their benefits without boredom. On Monday, start with honey lemon to wake up your brain and finish with lotus tea to ensure you fall asleep quickly and deeply.